Hello guys, this is Aryan and in this video I will be sharing 10 lines essay about nurse. Number 1. Nurses are healthcare professionals. Number 2. They provide caring support to patients. Number 3. Nurses work closely with doctors and teams. Number 4. They efficiently handle multiple tasks. Number 5. Nurses play a crucial role in healthcare settings. Number 6. They educate patients on health management. Number 7. They ensure a clean and safe environment. Number 8. Nurses work long hours with dedication. Number 9. They handle emergencies with calmness and skill. Number 10. They play a vital role in promoting public health. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.